the difference between a free memorial and a paid memorial on Ghana Memorial products. So this video is to help you understand which option may be right for your family. So now when you register on Ghana Memorial, you automatically receive a free memorial. So this allows you to begin honoring your loved one immediately without any payment, just as the way I got a chance to create this memorial for free. So with a free memorial, it includes some essential features needed to create a tribute. So as I have stated in previous videos, you need to add one photo, which is the hero image under the general sections. You need to add at least one family member, and then you need to add also at least one tribute at the condolence book session. So once these are added, the memorial can be published and then shared. Yes, but however, the free memorials are designed as a starting point. So they offer limited media and features, which means families may eventually reach a point where they may want to add more content. So when you look at the subscription plan on the pricing page on our website, you can see there are certain features that are inaccessible when one has the free memorial. So for instance, you would not be able to have a unique URL on GhanaRemembers.com. Your page would not stay online permanently. Also, you do not have access to the online obituary banners on GhanaRemembers.com. And then also, you're only limited to just 5 tributes. And then with the media gallery too, you're only limited to only 5 images. So now when you compare this to the other subscriptions, you can see under the media gallery, once you make payment for the premium budget, you can upload up to 25, the premium basic 50, premium plus 250, and then the lifetime package to 250. Yes, so with the free memorial, there are certain limitations to some of the features you have access to. Yes, so this is where the paid memorials come in. So with the paid memorials, it allows you to unlock additional features. That's features that might not be present at the free memorial. Yes, so you can unlock additional features and then expand the memorial over time. So depending on the plan you choose, you can add more photos, as I stated earlier. You can add more videos, more audio files, stories, live events, live stream links. You can add donation buttons, background music, and then other enhancements. Yes, so for instance, when you head onto our website, some of these memorials were created with super account. So with this memorial of Nana Konedu Agyeman Rawlings, it has access to everything. Everything has been fully filled. So we chose not to turn on donation links and some other features, but if we want to, we can do it because this particular memorial was created using a super account. Yes, unlike a memorial like this one, for instance, which is the free account, there are so many limited things we might not have access to just because our account is free. Yeah, so in simple terms, a free memorial helps you start and publish a basic tribute, whereas a paid memorial helps you expand, personalize, and then preserve more memories. So with time, you can upgrade from a free memorial to any of these paid memorial at any time. There is no rush, and you can choose the plan that fits your family's needs whenever you are ready. Yes, so that's the difference between the free and then paid memorials on Ghana Memorial products. Thank you for watching.